Hello everyone, this is Tech Queen Roxy from Diabatix. In this video I will show you how you can save a state. Several filters and settings you have applied to a case and which you can load for a similar case. So let's start by opening a case. I will open a pitzDaily case with an inlet speed of 1 meter per second. Click on apply. Select the velocity field and go to the last time step. Now I will apply a slice filter along the Z normal. I will hide this plane, click on apply and select the velocity field again. I will draw some streamlines. The C type, I will select high resolution line source along the inlets of our case. Change the resolution to 50. I will hide the line and click on apply. I will give it a solid color and make the slice visible again. Now I will make a plot. So I will make a new window, line chart view, go to filters, alphabetical, select plot over line, but make sure you selected the case. So go to filters, alphabetical, plot over line. I will make a plot along the y-axis, click on apply. So now I also created a plot. So now I have a case with on which I applied several filters. I made a plot and now I want to save this state. So go to File, Save State. I will give it the name, for example, State 1. Click on OK. Now I will load this state for a different case, for the same case but with a different inlet speed. So load state, select the state, click on OK. So here click on this button to open a different case. I will open a case with a velocity with an inlet speed of 10 meter per second. Click on apply. And now you can see that the filters we have applied on the previous case are also applied on this case, on the same case but with another inlet speed. And also the plot is applied. Thank you for watching. Feel free to give comments or suggestions for new videos and subscribe to stay updated.